I'm Prince Lucky. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Looking to build a new website or give your current site a makeover? Google Sites let you quickly create and customize websites with an accessible and easy-to-use platform. Google Sites is a free web page creation and publishing platform. Its classic version looked a lot like Google Docs, while the new iteration of Sites works more like Google Forms. Head to Google Sites to start creating your new website. Click the plus in the upper corner to get started. Name your Google site. In the top left of the screen, click Enter Site Name and choose a name for your new website. Click on your page title and enter a title for your page. You can change the font size, add bold or italic text and include links. And also you can change the header image from your computer. Create additional pages. As you create more web pages, add titles and body text in the Click to Edit text area, then click on the plus. This brings up a menu that lets you upload media, an image from your computer or Google Drive, a video from YouTube, or a Google Maps image. Expand your site content. Add additional context and content using the menu on the bottom right of the screen. Here, you'll find options to include collapsible text menus, tables of contents, image carousels and even buttons. You can change the font size, add bold or italic text and include links. Choose and add a theme. Click Themes and choose from 6 available free themes with multiple color schemes and fonts. I created this site. For example, when you create a new website you can add more images and content. Publish your Google site. When you're happy with your site's layout and content, click Publish in the upper right-hand corner. Choose your web address and set viewing rights. You can now select a web address and select viewing or editing rights for your site, allowing visitors to simply view your site or make changes. After successfully publishing your site, now you can create a shareable link. Test your link in another tab. Hope you like it. Click the subscribe button and click the bell icon for more updates.